Welcome to EDI's Electricity, powering knowledge safely.
Hello friends, welcome to this Electri-City. In today's video, we'll be looking at these components here. This very one here, your screen, LDR sensor, which means Light-Dependent Resistor. Okay, it works as a switch in the sense that when you apply it on a circuit, it will sense the light and turn off, and when the light go off, it will now turn on. Okay, this is what we mean right here. So let's get to work. You will need a transistor of 2N3904 transistor. Yeah, this very one here, this particular one. Yeah, you also need a component like a resistor. Yeah, this very one here, 200 ohms resistor. And you also need an LED light emitting diode, this very one here, and a 10K resistor and 100K resistor. Then start assembling of the components, taking note of the plus sign and the minus sign. Okay, that is the positive and the negative. I ensure that all terminals are well soldered. Do not forget to subscribe and encourage my work. This is AD's Electri-City. I now connect the LDR sensor to its ports. I use a phone charger to power it to convert AC to DC voltage. Since the circuit is a DC circuit, I need to make a size hole for the USB to pass through and to gum it properly so that it will be firm. I also need to make another hole for the LED bulb to pass through, applying gums around the edges to make the cover tight. We found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and share. So now let's run our test and see. Okay, now let's test. You can see it worked very well, perfectly well. Wow, perfectly well. You can see, wow. When light goes off, it comes up. When light comes up, it goes off. You can see, yeah, it comes up as the light goes off. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time, bye.